Online scams, how to avoid getting fooled. Facebook, Twitter share beware of the 3 ways of getting fooled into giving up your money through seemingly innocent money-making schemes. Scams are all around us and it can be found in every single area of life, but more so in such areas where the risk is greater, such as when dealing with credit cards, bank accounts and other activities which involve sending or receiving money online. The bank credit card email scam. If you get an email asking you to sign up to your bank account or credit card through the email because your privacy is under danger or just to receive a free gift or something, beware. Do not sign up through the internet address provided in the email. If the email does make you anxious, go to the bank or credit card site using the address you know already or through searching the search engines. How does this scam work? The senders of the email know that only a very few will sign up, but that is all they need. When you sign up to the bogus internet address, they got your user and password. Now it's time for them to party. The missing millionaire scam. If you receive an email saying that they represent a dead or missing former ruler, high-ranking official or businessman from an African, Gulf or even Russian, beware. They offer you a chance to earn anything between 1 to 5% of 10 to 50 million. And for your cooperation only. Don't get sucked into this, for though they speak of giving you money, they will receive cash and from your account. How does this scam work? They will ask you for your bank details in order to transfer the cash, and then they will use that to transfer a small amount. Now, once you trust them, they will ask you for more personal and secure details because they need that to transfer the entire sum in and out of your account. What they won't tell you is that they will transfer all the money out from your account, theirs and yours. The make money fast scam. This is the most innocent of the lot, but that is also why it is the most dangerous. These are so-called companies that advertise that if you only sign up and use their system, you will mint money. Please do not fall for such schemes. They will pay you some money, but then once trust is built, they will fleece your bank account. Remember that quick money scams are the surest and fastest way to lose all your money. Conclusion: whatever you do online, always remember that the internet is not a safe place. Treat it like you would treat any other business venture and bring up your guard. If you play it safe and check out the companies before committing, you will be able to guard yourself against losing money to crooks. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.